In the Calderwood area, a frequently encountered yet often overlooked problem with garage doors is worn or broken cables. These crucial components bear the heavy burden of lifting your door smoothly and safely. Over time, cables can fray or snap, leading to uneven lifting, a stuck door, or worse, an unsafe situation that could result in injury. Don't wait for a complete failure to act. It's crucial to address issues as they arise to prevent further complications. If you notice any signs of wear or damage on your garage door cables, it's time to call the professionals. Early detection can save you from costly repairs down the line. Reach out to our expert team at 0409-774-111 for prompt, reliable garage door repairs. We're here to ensure your garage door operates safely and efficiently, right here in the Calderwood area.